Hey guys, I don't have my iPad tonight, so I'm going to be doing the homework right here with you. So we're going to be doing Tuesday night's homework tonight. Happy Halloween to everybody. This first few are just some review problems, stuff you should know how to do by now. Number one asks us to explain what should you do when you are adding numbers with the same sign. If I could hold the camera still, that would be better. Alright, so when adding numbers with the same sign, what do? Add the numbers, keep the sign. So add the numbers, keep the sign. So if you're adding two negative numbers, then you're going to keep the negative sign. If you're adding two positive numbers, you're going to keep the positive sign. So in this first question, we have -4 plus -8. So same sign, add the numbers. 4 plus 8 equals 12. And then if you're adding a negative with a negative, your answer stays negative. All right, second question. -10 plus -18, same thing, same sign, so add the numbers. 10 plus 18 gives me 28, and the negative plus a negative is still a negative. Remember, you're going to only cancel out the negatives if you're multiplying. Here we've got 1/2 plus 3/4. We're adding fractions, and before we can add those fractions, we need to find the lowest common denominator, both of them. So 2 and 4, the lowest common denominator would be 4. 2 to get to 4, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 to get to 4, you're going to keep that fraction the same. You don't have to make any changes. Now you can add your numerators. Positive plus positive is still positive. So 5/4, which simplifies to 1 and 1/4. -2 and 3/4 plus -2 and 1/3. I can tell already that my answer is going to be negative, because I'm adding a negative and another negative. I'm going to convert both of these into improper fractions first. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11/4. So -11/4, plus -2 and 1/3. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So -7/3. All right, now before we start adding these fractions, we need to find the lowest common denominator of 4 and 3, which is going to be 12. 4 to get to 12, we're going to multiply both sides by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 11 times 3 is 33. Don't forget your negative. 3 to get to 12, we're going to multiply bottom and top by 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Also, don't forget the negative. Now we have -33 plus -28 over 12. Same signs, so you're going to add the numbers. 33 plus 28 gives me 61 over 12. I'm running out of room here, but the next thing you would do, and make sure you keep the negative sign, I almost forgot. Next thing you would do, divide in order simplified. So 12 goes into 61 5 times, leaves you a remainder of 1, and so your answer is going to be 5 and 1/12, negative. All right, this very last one, 3 and 2/5 plus 4 and 2/3. I'm going to go ahead and let you do that on your own. So tomorrow when you come into class, make sure you have all of them done, including the last one. They're both positive, so you're just going to add the numbers and then do the same steps we did up here. Go back a little bit if you need to see those steps again. All right, happy Halloween, everybody. See you guys tomorrow in class.